Whole30 breakfast recipes. Start your day right.
Kick off your mornings with breakfasts that are both delicious and Whole30 compliant. Whether you're new to Whole30 or looking for fresh ideas, these easy recipes help you enjoy a nutritious start without added sugars, grains, or dairy. Here are 3 quick, wholesome breakfasts perfect for busy mornings.
Egg and veggie breakfast bowl.
Sauté chopped spinach, bell peppers, and onions in olive oil until tender. Add whisked eggs and cook while stirring gently. Season with salt and pepper. Serve hot, topped with sliced avocado for healthy fats. This meal delivers protein, fiber, and energizing nutrients, making it an ideal start with minimal prep and clean ingredients.
Sweet potato hash with sausage.
Dice sweet potatoes and cook them in a skillet until they just start to brown. Add sliced Whole30 compliant chicken or turkey sausage and continue cooking together. Toss in chopped kale or spinach at the end for vibrant color and nutrients. This flavorful hash is hearty, naturally gluten-free, and satisfying for breakfast or brunch.
Banana Nut Porridge.
Mash a ripe banana and combine it with unsweetened almond milk, ground flaxseed, chia seeds, and chopped walnuts in a saucepan. Simmer gently until thickened. Top with a sprinkle of cinnamon. This warm, grain-free porridge is quick to make, rich in omega-3s, and provides lasting energy, satisfying any craving for a cozy breakfast.
Tips for Whole30 breakfast success.
Choose ingredients that are minimally processed and always check labels for hidden sugar or additives. Prep veggies and proteins ahead of time to make mornings easier. Experiment with herbs and spices for variety. With a bit of planning, Whole30 breakfasts can be both convenient and packed with flavor, helping you feel your best all day.